So if you can see this button, that little piece right here is broken, which is just like this little piece right here. This piece here holds down some stuff, so I'm actually gonna bring that off so you can see in there. And right there is the crack on the arm. Do a little micro repair. JB Weld. This is the 15-minute JB Weld. And a little bit underneath that arm. And then just let that set up. So this might be a little shaky, but I'm trying to do a super close-up. If you see where the button hits the switch, and then of course all this work, I put this little piece back, I fixed that little break there, and then underneath that is a leg somewhere. Yeah, you can kind of see it. That's fixed, but the key is to keep this from falling in, so it's holding it up, and that's the repair. That turns it on. So there you go. That is, for the most part, fixed. You know, I mean, you can only move plastic so much. Eventually, at some point, it's just going to break. And if you turn your machine on and off every day, you know, in the evening you shut it off, yeah, that's eventually going to stop. And either you rip this button out and just go with the switch that's up there, or try to repair it, or even replace it, and I don't even know if you can find the part. So there you go. And as always, I hope you learned something. I always do. And please subscribe, it does help. Thank you.